Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be packing for Utah. Woohoo! So I actually went to Utah to the Young Living convention about 2 weeks ago, and I was going to be there for almost a full week. So considering I'm a heavy duty overpacker, you know that means I packed a ton. So the way that I started packing is by pulling out all of the outfit pieces from my closet and then taking off the hangers, folding up the clothes and putting them into different piles so I could see how many shirts I was bringing, how many dresses, how many cardigans, tank tops, etc. Like I just said, tend to be a major overpacker. But, side note, I love this top, and I love this top too. They're both from companies that give to charity, and I really love them. So, I tend to be an overpacker, but because I travel so much, I'm actually really fast at packing now. So I may overpack, but I don't really forget things. Although, side note, I take that back. I always forget at least one thing. But I'm fully prepared. So I did have to bring a nice dress with me because we had a ball called the Diamond Gala to go to for my sister-in-law who just hit a new rank within Young Living. So then, as you saw, I laid down my shoes first. I always put my shoes at the bottom of my bag, and then I put my folded piles on the top. And then this part of my sink is where I keep all of my little travel makeup bags. So this bag is probably my favorite new travel bag, and it is a diffuser travel bag. I showed this on my Instagram when my sister sent it to me. She gave it to me as a gift for hitting a rank within Young Living, and just because she is a thoughtful sister, and I love it. I now travel everywhere with my diffuser. And so then I pick out the products I'm going to be bringing in each bag. So some of the ones I thought I would just highlight that I've been loving are my Santosha facial moisturizer, my Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Moisturizing Cream, my Jade Roller, which actually I have not been very good about using lately, but I still love it, so I brought it with me. My Young Living Claridime Facial Spray, although it's really just a spray for whatever you want to use it for. My lavender oil and frankincense oil for my face. My Tan Luxe self-tanning drops. You just do a couple of drops into your facial moisturizer and it becomes a self-tanner. My Young Living V6 oil, which I use as a carrier oil with other oils. I use coconut oil too, and then I brought Peace and Calming. I thought I'd show you some of the oils I brought with me. Citrus Fresh to diffuse. Stress Away to also diffuse or put in a carrier oil as a body moisturizer. Tangerine oil, because I think tangerine is one of my favorites ever. Just kidding. I don't know. Maybe grapefruit is one of my favorites. It's hard to decide. And then I brought my vanilla perfume. I love this stuff so much, especially when I mix it with tangerine oil. I smell like a creamsicle. So then I picked all of my makeup brushes that I wanted to pack, zipped those up, and pulled out my makeup bag and just pulled all my little pieces together and then stacked them in as well. I also figured out last minute that my facial cleanser, which is Purity Made Simple, that's what I use to remove my makeup, was not, my little travel bottle wasn't full, so I filled it back up. And I also brought my Young Living Orange Blossom Cleanser. So I added those to my little travel bags that I had packed, zipped it back up, put it away. And then what I'm doing right now is pulling out my pillow to travel with. I always travel with my own pillow everywhere I go. So I put on a fresh pillowcase, and then I went to my dresser drawers and I pulled out any pajamas, just lounge clothes that I might need, and added those in at the top. Then I realized I forgot my shaver, my razor, so I grabbed that too. I also grabbed my curling wand and a couple of hair things that I wanted. Some scarves, bobby pins, hair oil, dry shampoo, my brush, hair ties, and I threw all of my hair items in this clear bag that actually a company gave to me, but it's from Madewell, and it's amazing. So if you like it, it's worth checking out. Then I brought my taser, which I realized as I was editing this, I was like, wow, what a random insert, but it's not. When I travel by myself, I always bring a taser with me. And this one from a company called Damsel is cool because you can just plug it in your wall to charge. And it's also a flashlight. So every night that I would get out of the bed to go to the bathroom at our Airbnb, which, side note, we had the worst Airbnb experience, but that really is a side note. I'm not going to get into it. I would bring my taser and use it as a flashlight, but then I have it handy just in case. Wow. Safety with Nikki. So then I brought my Young Living lavender and mint shampoo and conditioner. Actually, I think that's my vanilla mayyybe conditioner. Smells like vanilla frosting. And then this is the purse I have been traveling with for maybe 3 years. It's from Dagny Dover, and this thing has been all around the world, beaten up, but I love it because of all of the compartments and the size. And so then I went through my little Louis Vuitton travel bag, and I pulled everything that I thought I would want in that bag. So my earphones from Beats, I love them because they never make my ears sore. My Young Living grapefruit lip balm, my Digize oil in case I had any digestive problems, my tangerine oil, and my Panaway oil with a roller top, as well as Breathe Again. At this point, I was still getting over a little cold, so that stuff was saving my life. So then I zipped it up, threw it in my travel bag, and then, of course, got to bring your iPhone charger or whatever charger you use. So I wrapped it up, threw that in my bag as well. And then I checked my wallet. I always like to make sure all of my receipts and things are cleared out before the start of a new trip. So I'm traveling with a fresh, clean wallet, not, mixing it up with other receipts. So then I brought an extra pair of sunglasses, a jean jacket, a leather jacket, and then last but not least, I threw my pillow on top. By the way, my pillow is my pillow, like mypillow.com. It's amazing. And then I grabbed my iPad for the flight as well as at the Airbnb. Oh, and in your defense, I love those vitamins. And I also love traveling with vitamin C and my master formula, which is pretty much just a multivitamin pack as well. So I threw all of those in a little baggie, added those in as well. As you can see, I do a lot of back and forth. I forget little things, add them in. And these are my sunglasses I always travel with because they're thick and durable and they cover a lot of my face. So I can sleep in them on the plane if I can get to sleep. And then last but not least, super important, but I pulled out my socks, underwear, all of that, and then added that to my baggie too. And then you have to travel with a bathing suit no matter where you're going because you never know when you're going to have access to a pool or a jacuzzi. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this random video. If you missed my last video, I uploaded my summer morning routine. I loved making that video, and I'm glad that so many of you guys liked it. But if you missed it, I will try to remember to link that down below. You can just check out my channel, and I will be back here soon with another new video. Per the usual, feel free to leave requests. I've been taking notes on all of your guys' video ideas, and I don't know, man. I was about to say I've been loving making videos lately, but I guess I've been making videos for 7.5 years, but especially lately, it's been really fun. So I'll see you guys back here soon. All right, bye.